Do you want to disable video and audio calls on Messenger? You can turn off it with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off voice and video calls on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Turning off voice and video calls on Messenger means that you are disabling the ability to receive calls from a specific person. By turning off voice and video calls for a particular person, you won't receive any incoming calls from them, whether they are voice or video calls. To turn off voice and video calls on Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile phone. Go to the conversation screen with the person for whom you want to disable voice and video calls. You can find your existing conversations by tapping on the chat icon or by searching for the person's name. Once you are in the conversation screen, tap on the name of the person or info icon at the top of the chat screen. This will open their profile page. In the person's profile, scroll down and look for notifications and sounds and tap on it. Within the notification and sound settings, you should see the option calls. Toggle off the switch next to calls to turn off audio and video calling from that person. Now, a pop-up menu appears. Just select Until I Change It and tap on the OK button. Once you have disabled voice and video calls, the settings will be applied automatically. By following these simple steps, you can disable voice and video calls for specific contacts in Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.